just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing an unboxing video for you guys. So just recently Style Factor sent me a box full of goods, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. And yeah, so I did use some of the products in the box to achieve this top knot bun look, and I just recorded that video, so I didn't have time to tie down my hair, but it is still really cute. And if you guys want to go check out that video, check out the link in the description box below, or wait to the end of the video, of course, and you guys will see it pop up. So today I am going to be unboxing, and they sent me bubble wrap, which I'm going to lay in my bed and pop later. But okay, so they sent me the Edge Booster Stronghold Moisturizing Pomade, and this is how this looks. I've never seen this before, but well, I never tried it before until just now, and it actually is really good. So the hold on it, the hold power is a 4, and it is Stronghold in High Shine with keratin in it. Okay, so it basically says that you can sculpt any type of hair with a long lasting hold, and it's easy to distribute throughout your hair. So it's what it is for, and like I said, I used this in my previous video to achieve this look. But the smell is really good. It doesn't have like a certain type of smell, but it smells good to me. And this is the Stronghold Moisturizing Pomade, like I said. So I'm guessing that it's like kind of edge control, but you can actually put this throughout your hair because the edge control does not say that. But this is really good, and I just used this. And then they sent me, this is all like out of order. So they sent me Wig Out, and this is curling conditioning gel. So I haven't tried this, and I've looked at a couple of videos, and people are saying that the Wig Out like cart section of the Style Factor brand is not only for wigs. So I will be doing a video trying this in my hair, but I did not for my previous video. But I'm pretty sure that you can use this just to like throughout your hair. But it doesn't say like for, you know, extensions or like natural hair or anything like that. But yes, I will be trying this, and I don't really know like this is the consistency of it. If you guys can, okay, y'all can see, I don't really know, like it's kind of like, and it does smell, it smells like it smells like a conditioner. It has a conditioner smell, so I'm pretty sure that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, but I'm pretty sure that you can use that on your regular natural hair, because if it's good for weave, then it should be good for your hair. So then we have the Edge Booster Stronghold fitting spray. I'm assuming that this is like spritz because of what the direction says, and it doesn't like, yeah, like a spritz that you put on your hair to hold it up. And I did spray this on my hair, but of course I'll have to let it dry, and I just sprayed it, so I'll have to like know like how it is. But I do assume that I will be using this, especially when I use do slip back ponytails, because of my hair being so short and I need an extra hold. But yeah, that's about it for that one. And then they sent me, this is also Wig Out. Am I showing these in the camera? Sorry. This was a previous one. This is how it looks, and this is the one I'm talking about now. Y'all can see. This is leave-in conditioner. I most definitely will be trying this one because I've been needing a new leave-in conditioner, and I haven't sprayed it, but it kind of smells like, honestly, I don't even know. Oh, peaches. Okay, it's a sweet peach scent, and that's exactly what it smells like. So yeah, I most definitely will be trying this leave-in conditioner when I do wear my hair curly. And then they sent me 4 small ones. This one is bigger than these, but they sent me, okay, this one, which is kind of a smaller one, if y'all can see, if it'll focus. This scent is lemon berry scent, and the hold power on this is a 5. So it smells good. All their scents smell so good. So that's the lemon berry one. This is the next one they sent. And the I keep saying strong. The hold power on this one is a 4, and this is the rich shine. This one really, it doesn't smell like anything. It smells like hair products. Hair products have a certain smell to me. And then this is the next one. And the hold power is a 4 as well. And this is the hot shine. That one really just smells like hair products, like some type of shampoo. So that one. And then last but not least, this is the nature. Oh, and last but not least, this is the nature shine, and the whole power on this one is a 4. So yes, I'm assuming, I'm not assuming, I know for a fact that all these do the same things. They're just different. Like some, oh, this one actually smells really good. They have different whole powers, of course. And then they sent me a big jar. This is usually like the one that I buy that I had already, and I don't know. Oh, this is the one that I bought and I had already that I used up. And this whole power on this one was 5, and of course all of it's already gone. That's why I'm glad I got some more. But the whole power on this one is a 4. So I mean, I'm pretty 4 and 5s. I usually use 4 or 5, so I'm pretty sure that they will hold up the same. But this one, of course, has the little thing on it, and these things are so hard to take off. Oops! Oh no! But so this is how it looks, and all of them are clear. None of them have color to them. Of course, you wouldn't want color anyways. I just hit my bun. But yeah, so this one is the sweet shine. They have a lot of shine. Shine. So this is the sweet shine. And this one smells really good as well. It kind of gives me like a peach kind of smell, but it's not, ooh, no. But it's not peach, so not really sure about that. Or maybe it's just me smelling stuff. So yeah, that is that. And then they sent me another wig out thing, and this is heat protectant spray. I'm most definitely going to be using this. I do not put heat to my hair since I've cut it because I want to wait till I absolutely have to put heat in my hair. So this, if I do put heat in my hair or if I do get weaved, I will use this heat protectant spray that they sent. And then they also sent fitting foam. I'm assuming this is sort of like mousse. I haven't actually, like, it says shake well before using. So yeah, this is just like mousse to me. So this is also for the Wig Out brand, and I'm assuming that, you know, you use this on your wigs, but you can also use it on your natural hair, or like if you get braids or something. So that will be come in handy when I get braids, because I needed mousse last time I had braids. And that is going to be all for the unboxing video. I am so happy to receive this box from Style Factor, and you guys should really check out their products. They have really good products for natural hair and for the hold, and even if not all types of natural hair, so my type, your type, whoever type. But yes, so this is going to be the end of the unboxing video. I just wanted to show you guys, run through them, tell you how they smell, show you like the kind of consistency of them, and just, you know, show you guys what they sent me, of course, because it's an unboxing video. But like I said, go check out my video where I achieved this style using these products, and you won't be disappointed. And make sure y'all check out Style Factor's Edge Booster collection and their Wig Out collection, and y'all let me know what y'all think and how Style Factor works for y'all on y'all edges. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I keep saying and this is the end of the video. So bye.
You don't hear my